Hi, my name is Niklas, 30 years old. I live down South Sweden in Blekinge County. Welcome to my channel. I've been into machining and two-stroke engines for a while. My plan is to start sharing it with you because I'm really passionate about it. This first episode is going to be an introduction, who I am and my home shop. This is shop number one. I got another one in Twostroke, but that's more for commercial use. This is a home shop. So, I'm a 2 days employee at Volvo Cars in Twostroke as a stamping and maintenance guy. The other days I spend in the shops, machining, building two-stroke engines, the things I love, spending time with my family, of course. So let's check out the machines. This is my basement. Nice flag. Torshälla turning machine, really dry cutter. Coal saw, working traffic light, perfect when having street drag racing. The Banshee I just recently bought a couple of months ago. Surface plate, cheap TIG welder, pretty big surface grinder. And here we have some regular tools, workbench, bench when straightening out and screwing the cranks for two-stroke engines. Here we have a zinc EDM, portable one. And here we have the Banshee. It's a 02 year of make. Bought this one from Norway. As Corona, you know, I couldn't go there and look at it. I just have to buy it and have a shipping company go get it for me. And the seller, I don't even, well, he didn't was totally honest, I think. Because it was a bit tighter in the rear axle. The bearings was non-existent. So I had to machine down the rear axle, put some weld on it, and re-machine the bearing surfaces. So now it's totally fine. Runs straight and through and no play in it. FMF exhaust, boost bottle, and of course the clutch started to slip. So the bike and maybe some fat guy trying to do some wheelies and shoot the burnout maybe. So the upcoming episode is going to be about upgrading the clutch on it, because I will put a big bore cylinder on it, and if you can't get the power to the ground, it's meaningless. So clutch basket, 8-plate clutch. Also going to upgrade to a billet water pump, pancake bearing, ceramic bearing, billet shift star, cover for the pump. And after that I will upgrade the cooling system, a new radiator, timing plate. And I will upgrade the intake as an upcoming project. Cheap K&N knockoffs, billet intake and crossover channel, as you can see. I have ordered a set of carbs for it, and I will keep that a secret for a while, which model I've chosen and why. So let's go into the other part of the basement. Here is a parts cleaner, shape press. I want to swap that out in the future. It's been good to me for the low amount of money they cost. I have rebuilt several cranks with it. Okay, but it's annoying a bit play in the rod or the piston, so it's not that precise when doing cranks. Here we have baby shaper, Chinese mill drill, tire machines. And today I got the whole fleet out, so we're going to check that out. Here in the middle we got the funniest bike. It's a Dakota 1978 year of make. 50cc rotary inlet engine. I did build that engine last year. 6-port cylinder from Puck Maxi. 20mm carb, Ignitec ignition. Med kit, good to have. As you can see, bolt pipe. I have a build for it, but it's pretty narrow power band. Does produce good peak horsepower, but in combination with the 4-speed gearbox, it's not that good. Puck Alabama. I do have this bike together with my big brother. 50% share. M engine, the Puck guys will know. 4-speed, 70mm carb, Nike Seal cylinder, runs okay. There is my middle kid's bike. Just recently rebuilt the engine on that one, new rod, the piston, etc., bearings. About a stock MT5 except the chrome exhaust. There we have CR80. And here we got my MB5. Been having this one for about 15-16 years now. As you can see, it's a bit modified, no original plastics. I did swap the rims out for the Motard rims. Now it got disc brakes, front and rear. Front it has stock, also 50cc, 6-speed gearbox, big rear sprocket, runs good. HPI ignition, velocity read. Cylinder is ported by me, and a PVK carb. So that was about it. Welcome to my channel, and I hope you will enjoy the content. It's going to be Twostroke builds, and it's going to be a machine. Maybe check out my dad's sheet metal working, my brother's excavator projects, mechanics stuff. He got a portable line boring machine tools. You can check that out. So, welcome and thanks for watching.